हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम आ गए हैं स्टर्लिंग वायनाड टू सेलिब्रेट माय सन हर्षवर्धन बर्थडे. We just reached in the afternoon. You can see the outside view of the resort. The road condition is very good, so it take near about 4 hours to reach here from Bangalore. So let's come inside. You can see the board of Sterling Wayanad. That we are just moving to reception. So once we reach to reception, they welcome us with garlands and the tika, the Indian tradition. They welcome us. You can see the Harsh is looking very good, enjoying, and I'm doing the formalities with my wife. So the reception area is very good. You can see there are plenty space of seating. You can see the sofa is there. They put TV also there, and it's a photogenic. You can take your pics there. So after checking in the hotel, we just went to our room. So you can see the room number is mentioned. So from the reception area we can get cart and that will drop us to our room. So that's a good facility that we see here. So let's come inside our room. So this is the premium cottage villa kind of things. So you can see, so all the facilities is provided. You can see AC is there, and we have a king size bed along with sofa. We have the microwave, fridge, and you can clean your vessels here. We have TV also, and along with TV we have cupboard and a private balcony that is facing to forest. The toilets are neat and clean and big enough. I like the room, yeah. So this is our private balcony. You can say the sit out area. They put two chairs. You can just have tea, coffee here. And adjacent to this, there is a forest. So you can spot animals here in the morning or afternoon. We spotted two deers near to this in morning, and sometimes people also spotted elephants also nearby this. So now we, after just resting some time, we come outside, and this is the resort top view. So this is the banquet hall. So so here it is a tree house, so you can just watch it from the upside. This is on second floor, and below this we have a restaurant. So there are two restaurants here. So there is also a swimming pool nearby to this restaurant. In front of restaurant, I can say there is a swimming pool. So we enjoyed the swimming along with Harsh. swimming pool is neat and clean, and there are two parts. One is for kids and one for adult, and there is a proper space for sitting, and they provide towels and all these things, so that's great. It's surrounded by trees, so you will get nature view. So after swimming, we just walking outside and just roaming here and there. You can see the view. So it's a complete resort view. It's a
उधर ऊपर है.
So they have a play area also that is outside to this, so where we can play cricket and badminton and other sports.
क्या कुछ नहीं है ये यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं
So they have gym.
जिम एरिया है, मैंने कहा था ना जिम है.
So gym is on second floor, and now we are going on the top view.
कम से कम
So you
ग्रीनरी तो
can see
दिखेगी.
the top. We are moving up. The best part of this resort, it is surrounded by trees, or you can say jungle. So it's a complete jungle view. You can hear the sound of birds and
यही था
animals.
सुबह वो, यही था.
And they have a plenty space of car parking, but it's car parking is the valet car parking, because the road is not that good inside for new driver. So this is the small play area for kids. Harsh is enjoying there, and near the swimming there is a fish pond is also there. So after visiting all these things, Harsh go there and we just feed fish.
बोटेनिकल
And they
गार्डन
also
है.
provide the fish food, and that is minimum chargeable.
चींटियां
I
हैं यहाँ
think
पे.
20 rupees. You can just buy that food and you can just feed the fish. So that is amazing. So now we are going to Aroma Garden. So there are many monkeys, so beware of monkeys.
मंकी तो है तो. अरे बाप रे क्या.
मैंने सोचा और भी कोई जंगल होगा.
So this is the butterfly garden. You can identify the butterflies.
केयरफुली बेटा.
And this is the fish pond. Now we will feed fish.
पानी कम है अरे कुछ नहीं गिरा देना
There are many color of fish. We identify pink and orange fish there, big size. And you can also find the watery snake inside this pond. So this is the sit out area, or I can say the snacks, evening snacks area, and this is the pottery.
ऊपर रख दिया बेटा उन्होंने
So it's chargeable.
Dry
We
cleaning
paid
कर दिया उन्होंने।
350 rupees
है ना
for pottery, and if you want to take that artifact,
पर है।
then you need to pay 150 rupees extra. So Harsh enjoy making the
हाँ
fish
कितने सारे बन गए देखो
bowl,
आज नहीं
वही देखो यहाँ पे
Let's
और भी
see।
रख रखे हैं आ जाओ
how we prepare it. And so this is a good activity for kids and adult also, not only for kids. Even I also enjoyed it. It's a real time experience that you are making something from your hand. Let's see. Hey Harsh. Now I think the fish is ready. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes, it will be ready.
Pull towards it.
They are doing some design on top of
स्लोली
that.
स्लोली पुल करो
Yes.
pull
हाँ करते जाओ पुल करो करो
You
करो
just
करो
pull there.
pull
Yeah.
your side
कट हो जाएगा बेटा नीचे से
Pull. Yeah, keep pulling. Pull.
वेरी गुड गिराना नहीं
Now it's ready.
Okay, get up. Up. Straight. Yeah.
We got it. So after enjoying this activity, we just went outside and then we just went for sleep, and in night we booked dinner. So now we are going for dinner. menu is for North Indian, South Indian, considering everyone. These are the non-vegetarian options. So there was a live concert that was so it was her first birthday, so we asked them to prepare a cake and they just prepare a pure vegetarian plus cake for us. And we celebrate first birthday along with the staff. So I'm really thankful for the staff